Welcome back to Breaking Bread Without Bread. My name is Jason Garcia and I'm your host. This week we are back to the pit. I'm really excited to present to you one of my absolute favorite dishes that I eat when I'm doing breadless or keto or what have you. Bacon wrapped cream cheese spinach feta. There's just so much in there, it's hard to describe. We'll just call it bacon wrapped chicken from now on. This cooking series has been a blast. I've enjoyed everything we've done so far. I've been getting a lot of great feedback. And again, to clarify, if you're doing maybe a keto diet or for anyone who's just looking for a tasty recipe, I'm here for you. All right, we're gonna make the filling for the bacon wrapped chicken. And this is just a very simple version that you can use. Honestly, I've made so many variations of this over the years. A little bit of trivia for you. This is the very first dish that I ever cooked for my girlfriend, now wife, and for her father. Absolutely delicious. You want to start with a block of cream cheese, and you need that room temperatured, and about half a cup of feta cheese, measuring with my heart. So we really didn't room temperature the cream cheese, but that is okay. We will persevere. I might just have to move to like a fork or something. Oops. Now the next thing you're gonna need is to chop some spinach. Now the easiest thing that I've found for this recipe is to take a nice ball of spinach like this, roll it together, like a little spinach bomb ball here, and with your handy dandy sharp knife, you just chop like this. Now you can use canned spinach if you want. I don't recommend it because honestly, fresh spinach is dirt cheap. You know what I can do? I'm just gonna do this, and that'll temper that. Okay, so since I didn't temper, I went ahead and just threw the pot into the barbecue pit. It's almost as if you're doing a microwave job. And the thing is, you're gonna throw all this stuff into the pit anyway, so we're just getting some extra smoky flavor. Remember, smoky equals delicious. Oh yeah. Okay, hopefully this isn't too hot. All right, so now my bowl is hot. Spinach goes in. It's perfect. It's gonna be easy to handle. Her Majesty, the chicken cutlet or the chicken breast. So clean off your excess chicken fat. So we want to be nice to this and give it all the proper seasoning it deserves. We're keeping it simple today, just some salt and pepper. And you don't need too much salt because the bacon is salty. Go figure. And make a little slice from about here on the chicken to about here. Go deep, try to go straight, try to be safe. There you go. Perfect. Now, another reason why I decided to do this recipe is because this is the week of a very special time in the Catholic faith. We call it the Annunciation. This is where Mary in the Bible received her title as the Blessed Virgin Mary. And the angel told her that she was full of grace. So that's why we believe what we believe about her. This is where she got basically the entire lowdown. She got told what's going to happen. She's going to have a baby boy. She's going to name him Jesus. This is the Annunciation Day. I think it's just an absolutely beautiful time. Now, let's add our filling. I don't have a great measurement of how much you need, like 2 tablespoons, half a cup, whatever. It just depends on how big your breast is. And you take your little ball of cheese and it goes right into the chicken. And our last part is to wrap it with that amazing bacon. If you have a nice sizable little chicken breast like I do, wrap one and then toothpick on the inside. It's incredible. So take that and we go on the fire. All right, let's take a look at that masterpiece. Oh, goodness gracious. This is our beautiful and amazing wrapped chicken breast. I just want to take a moment to really appreciate this. Because again, this is a dish, the main protein of a plate, that can just, it makes you look like a pro. And honestly, it's real easy to do. It's real easy to make. And you throw it in the oven or the grill and you put your feet up. It's that simple. All right, here we go. Some chicken bacon wrap goodness. The filling. I've made this so many times, but because this is just the good stuff. This is absolutely wonderful. Oh my goodness. Filling, absolutely amazing. Let's go to our pairing. A staple down here in Texas, an Arnold Palmer, or some crazy people call Arnold Palmer. This is really the good stuff. I really appreciate you being here. But now I gotta gobble this down. See you on the next video. I don't want to waste any more time. I want to go ahead and jump in and start with the chicken wrapped bacon. And for our filling, okay, now our spinach is nice and soft. Perfect. That's going to be easy to handle. I burned myself.